Tired of manually posting every piece of content to Reddit? Let's automate that. Today, I'll show you how to automatically post content to Reddit using Zapier and RSS Feed in just a few simple steps, saving you time and maximizing your reach. First, make sure the website or blog you want to share has an RSS feed, usually denoted by an orange icon. Copy the RSS feed URL to your clipboard. Next, head over to Zapier and click the Create App button. This starts new automated workflow. Now, for the trigger, search for and select RSS by Zapier. This will be the app that starts your automation. Choose New Item and Fee as the trigger event. Paste the RSS feed URL you copied earlier into the feed URL field, and then click Continue. For the action, search for and select Reddit. This is the app that will post to Reddit. Choose Submit a new link as the action event. Connect your Reddit account to Zapier by following the on-screen prompts to grant Zapier permission to post. Now, customize your Reddit post. Select the subreddit you want to post to, then use the data from the RSS feed to fill in the title and URL fields with the corresponding information from your RSS feed. For example, you would map the title of your blog post from the RSS feed to the title field on Reddit. Before activating your Zap, test the action to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll see a new post on the subreddit you selected. Finally, turn on your Zap. From now on, every time there's a new item in your RSS feed, Zapier will automatically post it to Reddit. That's it. You've successfully automated your Reddit posting using Zapier and RSS Feed. Now, sit back, relax, and let Zapier do the work. #Reddit automation #content distribution.